Hi friend, this is Mandeep and you are watching High Technology TV. In this video, I will show you how to install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6 for installation of SAP ECC 6.0. Okay, so first of all, to install SAP, we have to create a new virtual machine. Here I am choosing the typical. Click on next, and as you can see that I have Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6 64-bit. Okay, now click on next, and here I have to provide a user, and this is the username. Here I have to provide password for the same. Okay, now click on next, and here we have to decide the location of our virtual machine. Okay, this is our virtual machine name and this is our virtual machine location. Now click on next, and here we have to provide disk size. So here I am going to provide it 200 GB. Okay, and I am keeping it store virtual disk as a single file. Now click on next. Now we have to customize our hardware. For that, click on customize hardware, and here as you can see that we have 2 GB of memory. I am going to increase it to 4 GB, and for processor I am giving it number of processor 2 and number of cores per processor are also 2. Okay, network adapter I am going to give it host only, and as you can see I'm leaving rest of all are as default. Now click on close. Now before creating or clicking on the finish button, please uncheck this button, power on this virtual machine after creation. So click on finish. Once you've done that, you are able to see here that we have 2 DVD. This is our auto nst.iso. So I am going to remove it, because if I have not removed it, it will going to install our Linux in easy mode. So that's why I am going to remove it. Now click on OK, and now click on power on this virtual machine. Okay, as you can see that we have multiple options here: install system with basic video driver and all that. So I'm going to install with the default one, install or upgrade an existing system. So just hit enter. Here we are going to click on skip. Okay, now click on next. Language is English, and that is US English. Click on next, and I am going with basic storage devices. Click on next. So here we are going to use yes, discard any data, and host name is like we are going it to DEM. This is for demo, so I'm giving it DEM, or you can just give it demo. Now click on next. Here we have to choose our time zone, and I'm going to choose Asia Kolkata. Click on next, and here we have to provide root password. Click on next, and this is a warning that you have provided a weak password for the root, so we are going to use it anyway. Now we have option that which type of installation would you like. So we are going to use create custom layout. Click on next, and this is our free space which we have allocated. So now click on create, and now click on standard partition and create. We are going to use file system that is ext4. For mount point this, we are going to use 150 GB of space for this. Again we are going to use, now click on create. Here we are going to use the swap. For swap we are going to use 20 GB. Now click on create, and here we are going to use boot. For boot we are going to use 1 GB. For the USR we are giving it the total space which is left. Or we can use 30 GB. I think we had to increase it a bit, so we are going to keep it as 25 GB. And this is we are going to allocate to 10. Okay, this is our all the mount points and their sizes. So now click on next, click on format, and write changes to disk. Okay, now click on next. On desktop, and click next. Now as you can see that it has approximate 1113 packages, so it is going to take some time to install all these packages, so I am fast forwarding the video. Okay friend, as you can see that it's installing Words 3.0. It is the last package, so it is going to take some time. Okay, as you can see that right now it is installing bootloader. Okay, congratulations, your Red Hat Linux Enterprise Linux is installation is complete. So to please reboot to use the installed system. So we have to click on reboot and it will reboot our system. Okay, now click on forward. Yes, we agree to the license terms and agreement. Click on forward, and I'm keeping it as it is. And now it is give us option to create a user, so we are going to leave it blank. You didn't set up a user account capable of login to the. Are you sure? Yes, we are sure. Now it is asking us about the date and time, so I'm leaving it as default. If you want to synchronize date and time over the network, you can check it. So I'm checking it, and now click on forward. Right now it is starting NTP services. So here it is asking about the kernel crash dumping mechanism kdump, so I am leaving it unchecked. I don't want to enable kdump. Okay, click on yes. The system at now reboot. Now our system are going to reboot, so click on OK. Okay, as you can see that this is the login screen, so we are going to log in with root, and here we have to type the password of root. Now click on login. It is showing us a warning that currently you are logging with the root, that is a super user. To super user is a specialized account that is not designed to run a normal user session, so we are going to ignore this. And right now right click here and go to terminal and check what is our host name. Okay, as you can see that our host name is demo. Okay, so here, okay, here as you can see, these are our mount points, that is slash, that is of 145 GB and 8.5 GB, and all these are our mount points. So now we are going to set up our network. So right click here and click on edit connections. Here select this and click on edit. Now go to IPv4 setting and choose method here as manual and click on add. So here we are going to provide 192.168. First of all, we have to check that which VM network we have used and what is this, what is their IP. So here I think we have used 192.168.1.0. So check this, we can go here and okay, fine. 1.90 and 255.255.255.0, and in gateway we are typing 192.168.1.1. now click on apply, close, and okay, now our network. Let me see about the Java. As you can see that our Java has been installed already with our machine already installed. Okay friend, as you can see that our network part is done and Java is already installed, so our OS installation part is done. On our next video we are going to show you how to install SAP ECC on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6.2. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Have a nice day.